how to set a passcode for restricted mode on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to set a passcode for restricted mode on TikTok so that other users using your TikTok account won't be able to turn it off without your permission? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile tab available at the bottom. Then your TikTok profile will open up. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Select settings and privacy. Under the content and display section, you will see the option for content preferences. Tap on it. Over here, you will see the option for restricted mode. Tap on it. As you can see, restricted mode is currently on. Now have a closer look. At the very bottom, there is a button labeled Add Passcode. You will only see this button if you have enabled restricted mode. Make sure to turn it on first. Now to set a passcode for a TikTok restricted mode, tap on the Add Passcode button. As stated here, if you share a device with someone else, add a passcode so they can't turn off restricted mode. That's the purpose of adding the passcode. Now enter a passcode that you can remember, then it will ask you to confirm it again. As you can see, a passcode has been added. Please note that the passcode you just added works exclusively for restricted mode, not for any features within the app. Now whenever someone taps on the turn off button, they will be asked to enter the passcode you set for restricted mode. Make sure not to forget it, otherwise you won't be able to turn it off until you reset it to a new one. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to set a passcode for restricted mode on TikTok. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.